body with a perfect smile.
So yeah, don't forget to use my code, then Club or Club then.
Na naman kami. Nasa airport na naman kami. Ito yung itsura namin ng 5 a.m. Ay, 5 na ba?
I just woke up actually.
Ako ready pang pumarty. Charis! So, na-delay yung flight and 5 o'clock nandito na kami. Tapos, 9:20 pa board. So, girl, parang 3 hours delay. Sana yun na yun. Kasi, after yun, hindi ko nakakayanin pa. Whole morning na kami. For the edit na lang nila. Para naman, nag-productive yung morning natin. Yes, watch my step. Oh no! Dito na po tayo sa West Philippine Sea. Kimi! Say hi to my vlog chomps. Hello! And Ms. Aika. It's the life of a student. Pero,
Athlete.
ano?
Tanungin mo kung ano yung
Anong sport?
chess.
Yung pang matalino pa talaga. Charot lang yun guys. So yun ay, kinakanta ko sa kanya kanina. Medyo, ang hindi ko masyado bet pag Boracay. Hassle. Kasi yung transfer.
Siya lang yun?
Ay, nag-agree siya kanina. Kasi nga, pag papunta, car boat. Pag pauwi, boat car.
Tapos nung ako na nagsabi sa niya, aba malamang.
Ah!
Sabi nun.
Yun na nga, pero gets. Dami kasing
Hindi car fan.
pero wheels, tapos water gets.
Wheels on the bus.
Go round and round, round and round. Sinajudge na kami ni Chomps. Ano?
No flash photography. What?
Wala ko flash. Baka OA ni Chomps. Baka OA. Machos. Machos.
Check it out.
This is our hotel.
We're here at Station X U Hotel thanks to Club. Use my code then Club for 5% off or Club Stan. Diba yun? Ang arte ni Anami. Naiinis ako, naiinis. And this is all thanks to Miss Mackie of Cluck. Use her code.
Mackie Cluck?
Yes. But more importantly, use my code then Cluck. Rumi, Rumi, Rumi.
Handshake. Oh, shit! Kasi that's our emergency word when like we have like chika and stuff like that. So minsan pag nag-holy SHIT ako, she gets so scared.
Kasi, kala ko parang may nangyari na kailangan niya nang sumugod ako. Gano'n. Yung pa nang chika lang siya.
No, but sometimes like when I get super excited, I say that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I get a mini heart attack.
And then it's like, sabi niyo,
Para sabay tayo. Test. Very rich. It's giving me sweetness. Oh, eh. Okay, so dito tayo sa room, guys. And sino pa ba ang roomie natin? Roomie reveal! Roomie! So we're staying at Q Hotels. Thanks to Klook. We booked that through Klook. Woo! Okay. Use our codes. Mine is actually guys, mag-expire na pala yung Den Klook sa August. It's gonna be Klook Den starting August 1 or 30, tama ba? Gawin nyo na lang yung Klook Den kasi pwede mo siya gamitin for 5 times versus yung dati, 2 times lang yung Den Klook. So, yeah, pwede na. Diba? As a momager talaga neto. Okay lang yung nagsabi sa kanya ng mga kailangan. Anyways, yun. Use our code. So, we're staying here at Q for 4 days and 3 nights. Tapos, this is in Station X. So, it's right beside Station 3, which is, yeah, 2 minutes away from the beach. Actually, pinaka-bet talaga yung Station 1 kasi yun yung may pinaka-mayos na sand the last time I was here. But, okay na nito kasi hindi pa siya sobrang matao like Station 2. Yung sobrang masikip gets. So, yun yung mahirap. Anyways, tonight we're going to the Party Cruise! Party Cruise! Party Cruise! Outfit reveal later! See ya! Bye-bye!
Wow, it's so cool. You can make palaba.
Mahal ah. Okay guys, so we're here at Astoria, Boracay. And dito yung parang dock namin for the cruise. Station 1. Medyo basa lang yung daan kasi kakaulan lang. But since we're in Station 1, I kind of wanna get a shake later. Diba? Laps agad ang iniisip ni ate. Wow! I miss the beach. And dito na yung Klook! Finally, the sun is out. Kanina ang lakas ng ulan ate. Pero amaze lang naman niya. So, that's a purple. Let's go! Chomps! Natulog ka na dyan! Patingin ang sleek back with a perfect body with a perfect smile! Patingin! Perfect body with a perfect smile! Malamang nauna pa na, wala pa kang video! Okay? Let's eat! Perfect smile! Perfect body with a Challenge day! We're going to D-Mall for the first stop to look for a sandcastle tool. Sandcastle yan? Sandcastle tool. Tool.
Sandcastle ba yan?
Alam ko kasi like real na sandcastle na image. Yes? Toms naman eh. Gigigil ako eh. Kuwang-kuwa yung inis ko. Okay, so patakbo-takbo pa kami kanina. Hindi naman pala by time. It's just that we have to meet the bus for the first challenge at 9:45. Kasi may iwan kami. Anyways, we're off to the next challenge. Hopefully wala na running involved. For the run! For the run! Anong tawag sa'yo? Or titig na? So, sinong mas angat? At sinong mas sikat?
Marami yung views ko ng million.
Saan? Saan?
Sa TikTok.
Ang himan na. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Hey! 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 Yo! Yo! Galing ni Erika. Ay, Angel pala. At Maria. Ay, baliktad! Baliktad! Kasi nga best friend kayo eh. Ay! Oh! Hey! 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 Mag-breakdance pala. Okay, bata-bata pick for our lunch. Ano tayo? Buti na lang?
Buti na lang, natalo tayo sa first game.
Kasi?
Natalo tayo sa second game.
Ito yung importante oh! Ito yun oh! Because we have the perfect body with a perfect smile. Sino mas angat? Sino pasikat? Guys, quick recap. Nanalo kami sa Pajak Employee ni Chomps. Yes.
And thank you for
galing mo doon. Oo. Thank you for the drawing. And, may ano?
Hate you.
Kuling halaka. Go. Ang prize namin sa Pass the Message Eksena and Jack and Koy is this wonderful lunch in Aplaya. Na ang daming carbs. Puro carbs pala.
Yeah.
There. Punta kami noon for the hanap and sisid galore. BRB. I'll see you later. Sana manalo kami.
No pets allowed.
Hello. Yes. So guys, dito na kami sa Puka Beach, which is our last stop for today's festivities. Pero yun, umabot dito yung Ho-Ho bus. So, diba, per Puk, plus 250 lang, and then sa whole day na. So, diba, ang mga trike one way, 250, ganyan, or more. So, this is the per Puk mode of transportation here in Boracay. Eto na kami after 5 or 4 challenges. Tulog na lang. Bago in-game na naman. Mamaya. In-game. So, mag-dinner kami later at around 8 o'clock. So, thank the Lord. We have 4 hours to rest and relax, take a shower, bago mag-in-game ulit mamaya. Okay guys, so kakabalik lang namin sa hotel from our whole day land tour and now we're at D-Mall. I'm with Ikes. Lumabas kami ng hotel kasi mamaya pa naman kayo magkita, 8 p.m. So gusto ko maghanap ng kape or snacks or whatever kasi lang, sayang naman yun tayo sa D-Mall, di ba? Di tayo naman. So she's right there ordering Coco Mama. I hope she gets the one with mangoes. Yum. Good morning. This is our day 3. And look at my seatmate. She can't even function. How about these two? Kering. Eto.
Basic.
Yabang na naman. Ang yabang na naman umaga. Anyways, we're going down for some island hopping. Dito na kami ngayon sa Crystal Cove. At kinakailangan ko bumili ng kape. Kasi naanto. So we're gonna order coffee. We're getting iced coffee. This one. Perfect! Pwedeng dito siya. It's a high-tech nation. The what? Ayan na.
Hello, vlogger.
Si Peppa Pig! Si Peppa Pig! Did you order? Coffee.
Oh, so we ordered some coffee. What kind of coffee?
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Yes.
You reckon you'd like some as well?
Are you expecting a lot from the coffee?
3-in-1 coffee.
Oh, sabi, ayan na! Tasted! Oh, may foam pa. Hindi na kaya.
May layering pa yan, no?
May coke pala. Iinis ako. Perfect. Perfect body with a perfect smile. After mag-in-game sa Coastal Cove, kineme, lunch na, booch, dessert.
So may wind papunta dito. Doon ka mag-aimboard.
Kala mo naman.
Then for the win. Shooting a shot. Oh, miss.
Okay, so tapos na ang aming mga afternoon festivities and we're here currently at D-Mall kasi gusto namin mag-snacks at kakagising ko lang. Dito kami sa Ube Mama ngayon. Asa na si Ube Papa? Nakakainis. Naiinit. Pwede pa extra. Perfect. Ice cream ganda. Perfect. At extra ball, ha? Charing na. Pag siyari, sinerve niya sa atin yung ube ba? Kami serve na po. Oh, floater. Dali na. Okay, so yun nga, nandito yung file ng review namin for Ube Mama. But basically, I like it so much better than Coco Mama just because it's kind of, masarap yung ano niya, yung parang topping na puto bongbong ata, yun, tsaka mga mochi. Eh, yung sa Coco Mama, medyo nagsawa na. Kasi lagi kayo sa LU, in-order. But it's still good. Mas mahal lang talaga ng bonggang-bongga yung Ube Mama. Like, 300 ata. Coco Mama, 200 plus. So, up to you kung anong bet mo. At flavor profile. Sinuloko namin si ate na hindi namin bet. Pero sobrang funny yung mga face nila behind the camera. Kasi, kanila hindi talaga namin bet. Kinabahan sila ng bonggang-bongga. So, Ara, if you're watching this, love you so. Love you so. Pero yeah, love Ube Mama. Slay. Proud mom moment. Yes, as a singer. Let's go, Ara Jan! Yes! So guys, may dalawa dito nang babash ng smartwatch ko eh. Lagi pag suot ko,
Then, tayo ka, tapos pakita.
ganda kasi, di ba? Kasi natatrack niya yung steps, no dips, or whatever. So, di ba? Of course, kailangan mo yun. At tingnan mo naman, almost 90 steps na. O, di ba? Hindi nila alam yun with their nothing watch. Kasi Maki may smartwatch na lang. Hindi na sila invited sa season 3. Ayaw nila lang sabi nila.
Buong buhay ko lang dito. What's my meeting now?
Ano meeting mo ngayon?
Siyempre sa Club Mystery Trip.
Use my
My
code.
code, look them. Morning guys, it's our last day here. Naiiyak ako, charing. Pero nakakaloka kagabi, like 3 hours ang ata tulog ko. Pero naulanan kami ng bonggang-bongga kasi lumabas kami to like, you know, party for last night. And nauna, akala namin, yung ulan hanggang 10 lang. Girl, bumalik siya. So sumulong kami, sumilong sa Ombar. Tapos, we had to make a run for it because late na at gusto na namin makatulog pa. Hindi namin alam an hours mag-stop yung rain. So yun, for the run kami. There's a first for everything. Pero yun, medyo pause din ako, so I'ma save my voice. But anyways, so excited to go home. Actually, I have an event to attend to later. Wedding ng kapatid ng bestie ko. So, sana umabot ako for the madali ang eksena mamaya. And sayang din, hindi na ako nakaabot sa breakfast. 7:30 na, so I have to go. So, sana lang Tocino or Longganisa. Maybe next time. Okay, pumayag sila. Hindi pa kami aalis right away. So, I'm just grab something like egg or whatever. Oh my god, I love tomatoes. Boosh. Trabaho siya eh. Work. Si Video Greet naman. Ang dami talagang panay ni Chomp. Bakit? Kimi lang mo.